we're playing golf this time. Baseball wasn't very well. Some bad things happened that time, but we're gonna play good golf this time. You better get a good one on this, because it's gonna go super long way. Ready? That one's good, right?
No, it's right there.
Oh. How many, this is like, it's like baseball, so I get 3 tries. So this is, number 2. Okay. Here we go. Number 2. I didn't hear anything that time.
It's still there.
You're up. 3rd time, but I get 3 outs. Ha! Because basketball, you get 3 outs. 3 outs. Ready? Oh God! I wanted that to get on the other side. This is not the way I decided to play my day. This is not how. This is not how I don't want to. You forced me to do this, and look at how I am now. You hurt my feelings, and too close. I did not. You said you get out. You said you would give me the if I did this video, but you lied. Now you leave before I hit it. Oh no, I'm going on. It's not how you and your bullies. You too close. If I have to tell you this one more time, I shall have to tell your mother. Okay? You get out! Too close. I watch out. You're gonna die though. With that, yeah! You don't laugh at me when I do that, okay? You jerk.
We can laugh.